Welcome. If you're on the hunt for a best engine oil for car, you're in luck. I've compared the best of the best, and here is what you need to know. Product number 1. Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to start off this list with an absolute game changer for high mileage engines, Valvoline MaxLife High Mileage 5W30 Synthetic Blend. I mean, the name itself tells you it's specifically designed for vehicles with a lot of miles on them. And trust me, this stuff delivers. It's a high-performance synthetic blend oil that's engineered to handle the unique demands of high-mileage engines. You know, those engines that have seen it all, right? So what does that mean for you? Well, it means this oil is formulated to reduce wear and tear, condition seals, and even improve fuel efficiency. Honestly, it's like giving your engine a tune-up without breaking the bank. And the best part? It's got some serious credentials under its belt, approved by top manufacturers and all that jazz. Look, I know what you're thinking. Is this stuff really worth the hype? And my answer is absolutely. Check the link in the description for active discounts and experience the MaxLife difference for yourself. Product number 2. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W30 Motor. Okay, so I've got the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SAE 5W30 motor oil here, and I am super excited to dive into this one. I mean, I just went over the basics of motor oil, and now I'm getting into the good stuff. This is the big leagues, folks. The Valvoline Advanced is a full synthetic oil designed for high-performance engines. It's got the SAE 5W30 rating, which means it's gonna flow smoothly in cold temperatures and still provide top-notch protection in extreme heat. Honestly, this is the type of oil that's gonna give you that extra oomph. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, I've used this in my own vehicle, and the difference is night and day. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it worth the extra cost? Well, let me tell you, this stuff is top-notch. It's got the highest quality synthetic base stocks. It's got additives that prevent corrosion and wear. It's got everything. Look, if you want the best for your vehicle, you need to go with the best oil, and the Valvoline Advanced is it. So, go check out the link in the description. I've got active discounts, and get ready to take your engine to the next level. Product number 3. Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor. So, if you've been keeping up with our series, I've talked about some pretty cool products and I'm not done yet. Next up, I have the Castrol Edge 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Now, this one's a real showstopper, folks. I mean, think about it. A full synthetic motor oil designed for high-performance engines, made with advanced additives to prevent wear and tear, reduce friction, and keep your engine running like a well-oiled machine. Honestly, the more I learn about this stuff, the more I realize how important it is to use the right oil for your vehicle, and this one's definitely top-notch. Look, I know some of you might be thinking, is it really worth the extra cost? And my answer is, trust me, it's worth every penny. With Castrol Edge, you're not just getting any ordinary motor oil, you're getting a premium product that's designed to give you the best possible performance and longevity from your engine. So, if you want to take your engine to the next level, check out the link in the description for active discounts on Castrol Edge 5W30. It's definitely worth a shot. Product number 4. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SA0W20 Motor. So I were just talking about lubricants, and now I'm moving on to this incredible oil, the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SA0W20 Motor Oil, which is basically a game changer for your vehicle, especially if you drive in extreme temperatures, trust me. This is a full synthetic oil that's specifically designed to provide superior performance and protection for your engine, and I gotta say, I was blown away by the results. Honestly, the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic SA0W20 Motor Oil is a cutting-edge blend of advanced additives and unique polymers that work together to keep your engine running smoothly, quieter, and more efficiently. It's got excellent low-temperature flowability, which means it's perfect for those cold winter mornings. And it's also got excellent high-temperature resistance, which means it lasts longer and stays effective even in the most extreme driving conditions. Look, I've been using this oil for a while now, and I can confidently say it's one of the best I've ever used. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it worth the investment? Well, let me tell you, it absolutely is. Check out the link in the description for active discounts, and see for yourself why this oil is a top choice among car enthusiasts. Product number 5. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor. So, I've got our engine protected with synthetic oil, and now it's time to talk about the longevity of our engine with the Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. You know, that stuff that's specifically designed for vehicles with, well, a lot of miles on them, and honestly, I'm really excited to dive into this one. I mean, think about it. Your car's been around for a while. It's got some character, it's got some stories to tell, but at the same time, it's probably accumulating some wear and tear, and that's where this oil comes in. It's formulated to help extend the life of your engine. Trust me, it's a game changer. Look, this stuff is not your run-of-the-mill oil. It's full synthetic, high mileage. It's got additives that condition your engine seals, gaskets, and pistons. It's like a spa day for your engine, minus the cucumber water and scented candles. And the best part? It's designed to flow easily in colder temperatures, so you don't have to worry about your engine getting sluggish in the mornings. So, if you want to keep your ride running smooth for years to come, I highly recommend checking out this Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. And if you're feeling lucky, be sure to check the link in the description for active discounts. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide useful. Make sure to check the links below for the best current prices. See you in the next one.